Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Can you hear me? Online, am I audible? Can you hear me? Yes. Let's restart it. But now, let's share the files. File, open folder, and full stack file. Good. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are you all? Good. Till now, our demos, the demo notes. After that, we started HTML. This is our Telegram link, which contains our complete Telegram one and uh, basic index.html for routing and Git and GitHub. Today, I will just change this to create a website and Git and GitHub. This is our HTML. It contains 3 projects till now. Notes, code, and earlier about something topics. And this is the code. In the code, I wrote something called revision. If you go to this revision one, you can see it here. All files like layout HTML, headings HTML, formatting HTML, semantic and all. Whatever the topics you needed to understand, you can open that topic and you can have it a glance so that you will have a better idea on that. Okay. In case if you wanted to do revision one. Okay. Now let's go here. Let's go to the coding. These are the files we did it. Now, we are going in a slow pace. Actually, we will start our CSS in Monday. Okay. Before that, I just want to make sure everything is clear till now. And also, we will create some GitHub pages today. I already showed you how to create GitHub pages, and I will show you in detail today. What are the topics I covered? First demo classes, I covered something called Internet Fundamentals. Like what is www, what is Internet, what is DNS, what is domain, how Internet works. We discussed this all. Next, we discussed UI UX design, Figma. And I told it is very important that you guys to try Figma so that you will get it better idea, sir. Does anyone here created a design in Figma? Does anyone here created a design in Figma, complete design? You did? Good. Good. Online, anyone created a design in Figma, sir? Online, does anyone created a design in Figma? No. Like very few people said yes. That's good. The remaining people, you start itself. And this is one of the important one, the Figma one. Next, we discussed HTML introduction. We discussed formatting tags. We discussed headings. We discussed paragraph. We discussed anchor tag. We discussed the images. We discussed the list. We discussed tables. We discussed media. semantic elements, block and inline elements, HTML5. For website reference, we also discussed Git and GitHub, Netlify, VS Code. I told some websites references also. References always you can use sites like free code camp.org or dot two or hashnode.com. How many of you created an account in Dev.pro? How many of you created account on Dev.pro? Okay, one person said it now. That's good. Right. What about remaining people on offline also? What about Hashnode? No. Today you go and create Dev.pro 100%. If I go here, this is very important one. Why I'm saying it is, in reality, developers will learn from reading, not by YouTube videos. You need to learn so much things by reading, sir. How do you do that? So go where? Go to the websites, dev.pro. If you create an account, it will give you some kind of, uh, uh, what is it called? Dashboard or home feed. What? You will have Insta feed, na? Instagram feed will be there. Facebook feed will be there. Similarly, this is the speed. If I go where first, someone just mentioned it here, some article. Someone named Harish Kumar wrote it one day back. JavaScript optimization, memory management, something techniques for large scale applications. Then I will be like, open it. I will just read the article. They will just explain me like what it is, basic JavaScript memory management. And they will just explain me how do you handle the problem is with the memory management. And they will tell how to handle it. And I will be like, yes, this feels great. You got my point, ma? Sir, at least when you are free, if you read this, at least you will understand something like this are there. Now, some kind of, see, some people will write about different things. Someone write about some tailwind, someone write about how to set up Goose in, Windows. Like when you see something, at least you will understand something named Goose is there now. When you are having a good awareness on recent technologies, when you have a good awareness on recent technologies, you will get a good idea into the IT field. Believe me, whoever have this enthusiasm to, read articles, write articles, learn new things, those people only will survive, sir, in the IT. Because you need to do that. You can also create a post now. Click here, create a post. If I started writing it, it's one of the things which I started like I stopped my understanding of the Pythons. I just part one. I just write it something. Then add 4 tags hash Python hash programming hash. Oh, Django beginners. Perfect. Then I just explain it here in this one, what you will understand. Something you will understand, like what is Python and all. But do I know what is Python and all? No. I have to I just wrote it something this only. I need to write so much big. I need to put some kind of image, banner. And then I need to post that article. Then someone will read that article. They will like it. They will come to me. Is it clear, ma? Is it that much easy to write it? No. What is Python? I will Google it. Then I will read it. Oh, this is how it works. Then I will write it, that answer. Then I will read it one thing and I will just answer it. I will add a nice cover picture and I will click publish. Then people will come and see my post also like this. If you go here, if you just go to something like HTML, someone wrote a post on HTML. Let's go here. See, HTML tables. They just explain about table tag. They just explain TD, TH. They created one table tag. There will be always people likes it. Is it clear, ma? These are called communities. Why communities are very important is 90% of the times, 90% of the times, you will not get exact support from internet. Like you will get one small error, but you don't know how to convey that error to Google, or you don't know how to convey that error to ChatGPT or something. Then you need one person. If one person is there, you will tell immediately the problem and the person will solve it. So if you are having communities like this, you can comment. For example, see, someone commented this, then you can talk to that person. You can go there. You can comment that person. You can even chat with that person. Okay. So like that, you can go on more and more communities. This one is not having chat option, I think, but comments option you can go. Chat options, if you want it, hash node will work similar. If you go to hash node, you can see community. See, someone is mentioning what is their understanding on how to put implementing self-hosted GitHub action runners or 12 data structures top interview questions. Fun world of JavaScript. It's like different people will keep it these things. When you are writing this kind of things, when you are writing this kind of things, you will actually love it. You will love to use these things. Any doubts? Any doubts here? No. Online is it clear, sir, till now? I highly recommend you to go with this both, which most people won't tell you, but I'm telling you, in reality, these two websites will help you more. There is another site called Medium also, but Medium is a paid one. That's why I'm not recommending it. Is there any doubts, ma? If I go here, I can even show, like I will show you some extensions also. This all will helpful. This is a basic setup. Do you know Google Chrome have extensions? In Google Chrome, if you go to extensions, manage extension, or if you type it directly Google Web Store, if you type it directly Google Web Store, same like your Play Store Web Store will come now. Same like your Play Store Web Store will come now. Go to Web Store, install one extension called Vaporizer. What is the extension named? Visor. Imagine you suddenly open one website, Myntra. Imagine I opened Myntra. Then if I go here, if I just click on If I just go to extensions, if I click on extension Vaporizer, then Vaporizer will tell me how did they created Myntra, what technologies they used in this. If I go to any site, for example, if I go to bewakoof.com, if I click here, then if I come here, then if I go here, Vaporizer, now see, how did they put these animations and all? Yes, they put it this using React. They used it using React style components. They used it using Redux. They used Next.js. Backend they used Firebase. Are you getting my point, sir? Then you will understand, oh, what does it mean by static Next.js? Then you will go there. Not only that, you go with any kind of element. Let's go here, any other, tell me any one site. Tell me any one website, ma. Are you all okay? Is it clear till now? It's clear only now. So it's just a general session actually. Online, yes, yeah. Okay, don't be so silent. Now tell me any one website, ma. Huh? Amazon. If I go here, Amazon, go here, Appleizer, it will tell you. They used something Video.js. They used something advertising, Amazon advertising, Redux. So it's not like every website it will tell. Some websites will hide it. Okay. But mostly it will tell. It is accessing my location. Why I will give my location. Go here. See, React, Redux, Firebase. So majority of the websites which you went uses React. Means React is important. You go to Netflix, React is there. You go to Amazon, React is there. You went to Azure, React is there. You went to the Myntra, React is there. So everyone with React Redux is there. Right or not? So that means it is important, sir. So you will understand, oh, then I have to use it. Firebase is there in two websites. What is Firebase? You will learn it. Slowly, you will learn all of these things. Any doubts? Online is clear? Now, one is Vaporizer. Same like this Vaporizer one. You can also bring for Figma one. What you can bring it is you can use dev daily.dev. Daily.dev. Just install this daily.dev, and what will happen if you have this daily.dev? If you open it, it's asking me to sign in now. Now they go. Now, normally when you open a new tab, what will come? Empty Google will come, na? New tab. But if you install that daily.dev, this particular one will come. What it will do, this extension only go to dev2, this extension go to Hashnode, this extension go to Medium, this extension go to everywhere in the internet and bring all the articles regarding the coding, whatever you love. That one it will show you on the screen. So that whenever I open my Google Chrome, automatically I can see these things. I did not open anything. Then I will be like, oh, this guy is saying it like something free for developers. And I will open it. And I will be like, what is this I? Then I will read this article. Someone wrote one article here. 15 useful CSS properties. I will go there. And see, automatically I went to another website, something in Medium I went. So it will go to different websites and it will bring all the data and it will bring it to you. Any doubts? Any doubts here? Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Now, good. Like this, you will have different properties you can able to go on. Next. This extension name is daily.dev. Daily.dev. You can even use mobile Play Store app is also there. Play Store app is also there. You just go through that app. It will work easily. Because these things will help, man. 90% of the times you will learn it by yourself only. Okay. Next. Go here. Go to my GitHub, sir. Sir, your screen is online. Can you see my screen, sir? Online, can you see my screen? For some people, it's not visible. I think, please let me know. Okay. Now, good. Okay, then. 10 websites every developer must need to know. Okay. See, someone in the dev wrote this article. So that daily dev will show me. UI verse, I know this. Glitch, I know this. Shorts, I don't know. Dev docs. This seems funny. Go here. If I go here. So, oh, anything it is showing documentation. HTML, attributes. It will give you documentation. Perfect. JavaScript. Async. This one seems cool. It will be useful for so many times. Okay. Or for testing tools are there. Landing folio is there. Free for dev. I love free for dev. For the people who don't know, free for dev is a site which will give anything for free to the developers. If you use this website, everything which you will get it for paid, you will get it in free. Like for example, something like if you wanted to do web development, you need some kind of in future you will understand this. You need some kind of just now I will tell you design and UI ones. Like you use Figma, na? Figma, na? Similarly, for Figma, if you want some kind of images, you can use this something. All the free stock. Like this, they will tell you everything even the free available in the world. Whatever the freely available things are there, they will give you a list. You can use these things so that you will get a better idea. Design inspiration. Awards. I think I showed you Behance and Dribble, right? Do you remember I showed you Behance and Dribble? Similarly, you can use this all also. If you come to this one site, actually, I have been this through site long back. Or, yeah, this works. So please try to spend at least every day half an hour or 10 minutes at least while reading through those things. Okay. Now go to GitHub, sir. In the last time GitHub, we have seen GitHub full stack 9. If you go to my full stack 9, last time GitHub, we have seen how to do pull requests, how to do something, how to create the branches. Actually, see, mine is having so many branches because of the contributors and all. Right? In future, we will make it like an open contribution and we will make it like everyone. Now, in GitHub, there is one feature for everyone which I wanted to start is open source. Has anyone ever heard of open source, ma? Does anyone ever heard of open source? As a fresher, if you have a project with open source, that will be highly respectable. Open source is like this. Imagine I am creating one big project, ma. Focus this. Imagine I am creating a big project and I am not doing it project for my office or something. I am doing it project for free, normally, free. Then I am creating it and suddenly I have some problems. I put my code to GitHub. And because I am doing it for free of cost, because I'm doing it, it's my dream project. I cannot put some people to employ and all, right? Then I will push it to GitHub. Then I will ask anyone in the world can come and solve my problem. Then somewhere some person will pull my code into their system and then we'll check the issue and we'll solve it and again we'll push it back. If I like my solution, I will merge it. If I don't like my solution, I will leave it. So you have one idea, nice idea. You do the basic designs and then you just push it into the live and which will become open source. There are thousands of open sources. Actually, React is open source. That's why people are using it. Open sources are free of cost. And you will get their source code also. Directly you will get their source code. You don't need to do anything. They will give you their source code also. You can actually use it however you want also. Sir, how can they give? If I take their source code and change it and keep it my own website, kuch nahi hota. You can keep it. That's what the people kind do that. So, online, is it clear, ma? My voice? Now, understand. Open source people, online is my voice is clear? I think it's not clear. Now clear. Okay. Now see, in GitHub, someone will push their code because they want some help. And you will take their code and you will just give some contribution to their code so that you will become open source contributor. How to do this open source contribution? Go here. First, if you don't know any contribution, I will tell you first contribution. Go to first contributor. First contributions, GitHub. Go here. If you follow this, this is the first contribution. How many people contributed this website? 5,000 plus. Because this is a dummy set actually. It will tell you how to contribute. It will tell you how to contribute. Okay. Then you do contribution. After doing the contribution, you will just, make it your own. Make you whatever the changes you want, submit those changes, and then push it. Any doubts, man? Now, if you want it, I will do it for you. I am forking this repository. Everything I will do. Forking this repository. First contributions. I just go here. I just copy it. Creating a fork. That means someone worked with that guy. It's not my side. It is someone's side. I am just contributing. I am just taking his code. I took his code. I hope online can able to see. I just forked someone's screen, someone's repository. I just forked someone's repository. Now screen is not visible. Online, can you see the screen now? I think internet issue it is. No. Why so many people know? That means online, can you see the screen now? For some people, yes. For some people, no. Just check it on. Okay. What you did till now, sir? I just forked one repository. What is that repository? First contribution. You all know fork how to do. Go there, click fork, and add an account. Then after that, go here, take the link, clone it. Go here, take the link and clone it. I will go here. I will open one new folder, file, open folder, right click, new folder, contribute one. I'm opening a new folder, sir. First step, what did I did, ma? First step, what I did? Fork. What did I did? Sir, to the people who don't know fork, I just go to the first contribution website, and then click here fork. Then after clicking fork, it will create my own repository with the name. And after that, I click here. I copy the URL. And then go here. Now, what I will do? Can anyone tell me how do I get from URL to local? How do I get my code from that URL here? Git clone. Did you guys remember clone and fork, ma? Did you guys practice clone and fork? If you don't practice, you will not remember. Git clone. I did. Now see, it got a clone. Whole website came. Now we'll go here, CD, first contributions, first contributions. Now I went inside, sir. Now I want to do some changes. What you will change, sir? What I will change here. GUI tutorials, something. Now I will add my name. Now I will add it something like hi, I'm Prasad. Actually, my name is there already before. Long back. Again, this is a new repository, na? It's there. This is my repository. Like, let's go to my main page. You have to go to your profile page, sir, so that you will get your profile URL. Copy. Now go here. Now paste it here. From India. Load it. Repository. My first contribution, whatever, yada yada yada. I made a change, right or not? Anything, whatever the change is change only. I made a change, right or not? Any doubt, sir? Sir, I made a change now. Are everyone clear until now? But sir, I made a change. Is it for my site? No, someone's. Then I have to create one branch. CD add Prasad TP. Not CD. I'm sorry. I have to create a branch now. Git. How do you create it? If you don't know, it will give you some step-by-step instructions, sir. Go to this first contribution website. It will tell you step-by-step instructions down. Clone the repository, take the repositories, and then go with your own repositories. Now I will create it using this command. Git switch branch name. The command is git switch dash c branch name Prasad. Now I was into a branch. Can you see I switched into a new branch, ma? Okay, you can use checkout also to go to the branch, basically. I am in a new branch now. Now in this branch only I will do add, commit, and then put. Make necessary changes I did. Now add and commit. How do you do that? Git add dot. I think you know how to do that. Okay, then after that git commit dash m. You need to give a message. Added my name to or added TP name to contributors to this list. I added. Committed is also over. Commitment is also over. After committing, what you will do, sir? Push na? Right or not? So go here, then push. So you have to push it, sir. How do you push? Git spray. Git push dash u origin. What is the branch name? Prasad dash BTP. Now it's pushed. Everything I did is pushed. Can you see M is not there? Now you go here. Now you go to your repository. Repositories. First contributions 1. I just did. Can you see compare and pull request? Can you see compare and pull request? Click on this compare and pull request. Now it will have one message, right? And I will say create a pull request. Now it was accepted. Then I did compare and pull request, sir. I did click that button. I did created a pull request. Automatically, what will happen? What is the conflict in GitHub? You will have so many other things, sir, here. See, we are not having it conflicts and all. Basically, we'll have actions and issues. Like, for example, this open source guy did not, I did not do any problem now. Did I solve any problem? No, I just added my name. But in some people, when they put it in open source, they will have problems. They will mention the problems in issues. And those issues, people will put. Whatever the issues they want, those issues people will put. So, see, someone added this file, added contributors empty. Some people added icons to search and filter bars for improved user interface. Like this, different people will add different things. First, user will put some kind of issues, and whatever open issues are there, you will take them and you will solve them. I did not solve it anything. I just added it directly. See, 1.5k pull requests are there, and those people will add those pull requests. Any doubts, sir, here? Any doubts, sir, here? No. Can we run that project in our local? Actually, we can run it. Now, here we don't have, they are not having it like exactly. GUI tools, they have something. GitHub desktop older version tutorial. They gave some kind of tutorial, but they did not give me any website. Git workflow, okay. CLI tools, okay. But they did not explain to me any kind of, these things. Different people added different tutorials. You can see those things. Go to the folder, save the project, and in command prompt, git clone, okay. And then write this, create a branch. Everything they explain lines by line. Like different people added these different files. Now, sir, how do I find my own GitHub? Go here, my own open source. Open source beginner projects. If you type it, you will get so many. You will get so many sites. Okay. Now, one of the site which I love to do, you guys to do open source is not this free code camp. Did you all remember my free code camp? Now you can actually see put any kind of feature into free code camp. You go to this website, GitHub. Imagine if you tried it. If you don't know CSS and JavaScript that I know, but if you tried it, that will become really cool. Slowly, if you learn it, free code camp, it is 100% open source. Anyone can download its code and anyone can able to change it. Okay. Then if you go to this, contribute to the free code community. Oh, it's a paid one. Okay, they are asking it any contributions. No need. I'm not doing it, but if you go here, free code camp, actually 5,000 plus contributors are there. Different people will add different features. If you go here, they are having so many issues. Okay, why someone mentioned it like some people are getting UI contrast during the lessons, not good. Okay, so those kind of any problems you will get, use this one, and whatever the problems you will get, you just use it. And for that, someone edited. See, open it, someone's stage. While doing heuristic evaluation on free code camp, I noticed there is not much contrast on the lesson. I was working on learning HTML by building Catsup app. We also tried it. So casual causing me to feel slightly lost when I'm new to lessons. Few examples. A contrast between lesson box instruction color. So he is feeling it like the colors are not looking good. Okay. He just mentioned an image saying it like these colors are too simple. So he wanted this background to be different color. This is different color, something so that people will attract. So he just tried wanted to do in a different way. How he did. Whatever the changes he did, he added the changes and six hours ago. Okay. Someone also added something. Geek if also added 20 minutes ago some feature. Now if that guy accepted it, it will come. Any doubts, ma? If you wanted to add similar feature, any feature, open feature, you can try it. Welcome to go more, go on, do it more and more open source ones. Search for it, and then you can able to do it, sir. Believe me, the more open source you do, the more you will get it. Any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts here? Today I am telling it, most important things as a developer are these four only. Where are this? Okay, I just went off. Dev, app node and open source. 99% of the Amirpet students will not even go for open source. I'm guaranteed that. Because first thing they don't know, second thing they don't have that much skill. I want you to learn it because you are living in AI era. AI is there. If you really do one open source, if you started today, maybe after a month or after 2 months, you will do now one contribution. It's not a big deal. But love to help people so that the people also will help you and we can create a good community of things. One open source project will actually bring you a direct job. Online, any doubts are there, sir? Online, any doubts are there, ma? No, that's it for today. Thank you all. And tomorrow onwards, the class is usual time, which is 9 o'clock. Tomorrow onwards, the class is usual time, which is 9 o'clock. That's it for today, ma. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.